Hi, my name's Lex. I'm a marketing specialist senior here at PNC. Usually we'd be talking to you on campus or a local branch. Today I'm here to talk to you about something that we really think helps students manage their money. It's a bank account called Virtual Wallet Student. Virtual Wallet Student is a checking and savings combined. There's no monthly service charge for 6 years after you open an account, and if you have an overdraft, we'll pay the first overdraft fee. It's easy to apply. Just go to pnc.com/students and click Apply Online. Make sure to have your social security number and driver's license or another valid photo ID handy because you will need them when you apply. As you are filling out the application, make sure to select your school. PNC offers benefits like PNC branches and ATMs on campus and customized debit cards. Once you are finished, hit Submit and you are done. If you're approved, you'll start receiving emails to help you get acquainted, and a PNC Bank Visa debit card will be mailed to you in 5 to 7 business days. I hope that this was helpful and you see how easy it is to apply for Virtual Wallet Student and start managing your money.